By default on your Citroen C3, your mirrors will fold in every time you lock the car. This is a 2021 model. So for example now, pretend we're outside and I lock the car, the mirrors will fold in. But you might not actually want that feature because you can manually do it from here anyway. So I'm going to unlock the car. If you want to turn that feature off, it's easy to do. So all we have to do is, on your display here, we need to hit the car symbol. And we need to go to vehicle settings, and we need to go to parking, and now it says prevention of door mirrors folding. Right now it's off. We can turn that to on, and now every single time we lock the car, you can see that it locks without folding in, and then unlock, and that feature will stay. And obviously if you want to put it back to how it was again, you just need to change that to off. Now remember, if you are parked on a busy road and you did just want to do it manually, you can just shove these in manually on both sides. Thanks for watching.